Hello, children. We have already read the story The Talkative Barber in our previous video. Today, in this video, we are going to practice its exercise questions. So, let's begin with the question answers first. Question number 1. How many brothers did the barber have? Answer is the barber had 6 brothers. बार्बर के कितने ब्रदर्स थे? 6. Why was the sultan in a hurry? सुल्तान को जल्दी क्यों थी? Answer is Sultan was in a hurry because he had to go out at noon to give feast to some of his friends. He had invited some of his friends on a feast. That is why he was in a hurry. Question number 3. Why did the barber take so long to shave the sultan? बार्बर को इतना ज़्यादा टाइम क्यों लग रहा था? Answer. The barber took so long to shave the sultan because he was very talkative. क्योंकि वो बहुत talkative था. Question number 4. Write true or false. Number 1. The barber was shaving Sultan's beard. This is false. He was shaving Sultan's head, not beard. Number 2. The Sultan gave him 3 gold coins. This is true. Sultan wanted to get rid of the barber. Number 3. The barber refused to leave the Sultan's palace. This is true. Barber said, I will not leave until I finish my work. Number 4. There were 7 brothers altogether in Sultan's family. This is false. There were 7 brothers in the barber's family, not Sultan's family. Question number 5. Why did the barber want a lot of food? Answer. Barber wanted a lot of food because he had invited 4 or 5 friends to come to his house for feast. He had invited those friends without making any preparations. बार्बर को इतना खाना इसलिए चाहिए था क्योंकि उसने अपने 4 या 5 दोस्तों को इनवाइट किया था और वो प्रिपरेशन करना भूल गया था. Now next exercise is word building. Let's read the words given in column 1. Important, patient, pleasure. Now let's read the words given in column 2. Unimportant, impatient, displeasure. So, the words given in column 2 are the opposites of the words given in column 1. And these opposites are formed by adding un, im and dis to these words. Now, in similar way, we have to write opposites of these words by adding un, dis or im. Believe, disbelieve. Shaved, unshaved. Perfect, imperfect. Satisfy, unsatisfied. Polite, impolite. Respect, disrespect. Pure, impure. Expected, unexpected. Now next, fill in the blanks by adding un, im or dis to the words given in the box. So we have some words given in this box and we have to fill in the blanks using their opposites. And how can we make opposites? By adding un, im or dis. The teacher got upset with Rani because her work was... So here we can write opposite of tidy. Her work was untidy. Number 2. The dog was dashed to climb the tree to chase the cat. Now dog was dashed to climb the tree. Can a dog climb a tree? If the dog can climb a tree, you can write able, but you have to use the opposite of these words. So you will write unable because dogs cannot climb trees. Next, number 3. I dash hot milk. I like it cold. I dislike. That means I don't like. It is dashed to cross the road during peak traffic hours. Peak traffic hours मतलब जब बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक होता है तो उस टाइम रोड क्रॉस करना क्या हो जाता है? Impossible. Opposite of possible is impossible. Number 5. The magician waved his magic wand and made the rabbit. Opposite of appear will be disappear. Next, the passengers became dash when the train was late again. जब ट्रेन फिर से लेट हो गई तो पैसेंजर्स क्या हो गए? पेशेंट का ऑपोजिट impatient. Number 7. It was very dash to make fun of another person's weakness. किसी पर्सन की वीकनेस का मजाक उड़ाना क्या होता है? It is unkind. Opposite of kind is unkind. Now practice the exercise questions yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.